정보를 전하기 때문에
I forward. Why I am urging them to hurry up, because state has given us.
There is irregularities in selection of beneficiaries under PMAYG 2. So today, with my leaders, I came to meet the BDU. I have categorically told them regarding the problems in Kakrasura and Nonosura particularly, and of course in all the 14 VCs of my constituency, that the genuine beneficiaries should get, because what we have seen is in their names or in their job card name, as many as 44 beneficiaries in Kakrasura alone has got their name approved, which means 44 genuine beneficiaries will not be getting the house. So I have discussed the matter with the BDU. He has given us time so that by Monday we may submit fresh name whose name has been rejected from the waiting list. So we are doing that so that the genuine may get.